Welcome to Bronco One Card, your guide to submitting a proper photo for use with your Bronco One Card ID. Your photo guidelines are as follows. You may submit the following photo file types: JPG, PNG, and GIF images. Your Bronco One Card photo is for identification purposes only and may include you and only you in the photo. You must face the camera directly with open eyes and neutral facial expression. No side profiles, hand gestures, poses, or props are allowed. Your photo must be taken in front of a plain white or off-white background. Please avoid textured walls, doors, and other objects in the background of your photo. Please take your photo in clothing that you would wear on a normal basis. No hats that obscure the hair or hairline. No headwear except for religious purposes. No sunglasses, headphones, wireless hand-free devices, or similar items. No dark or tinted eyeglasses except for when medically necessary. If you normally wear glasses, hearing devices, or similar items, they may be worn in the photo. Your face must be fully visible. Your photo should be cropped from slightly above your head to the middle of your chest, similar to a passport photo. Do not use borders or filters on your photo submission. There should be a definite contrast between you and the background. Your photo submission must be in color. Please avoid red eye and flash reflection from glasses and contacts. Acceptable identification submissions can include driver's license, state ID, passport, green card, or military ID. Please view the FAQ on our website for more information.